Me don't know if me don't know if she see me. She never see me. Cause the reaction when I say something to her, she never see me. She there come too close. So I say, hey, hey. And when she look around, hear this, cause she come like a little wobby woman, you know. Hear about, what is? What is? I must see magic. I must see magic. It a work. It a work. Anyway, the boy where she stand up with, see and no see and me. Cause the boy stand up so. And him look so confused. Like, you know, yeah, I wonder what you have to do now. I wonder if you lick him for liquor too. I wonder if you just walk out. I wonder if you call back it for our phone. The boy just look hopeless. But you know me, I give my attitude because I don't want the bitch touch me. And if the bitch touch me, I straight to God after 3 police station. I have to come to me around there. Me now ask you. She don't pan. I magic this. I magic this. Yes. Yeah. Remember, you know? Me now say nothing to her, you know? I want something said to the woman and I never say back a word. I don't utter back a word out of my mouth to her and she don't pan a magic this. I start get afraid now. I say, I wonder if this woman will blood clot over for me. So why you that see me and when I say, hey, you can tell me, say, see, and that's what she a babe. I must say magic this. She a dip for your next sanitizer again, like she rub up her island. And she go down this and she rub up again. And she say, what this? I must say magic this. Yes, yes. I mean, I said, I go say something to her now. But I did make a post about it. One day she up on her live and she class me, go and she class me come and she say, anytime she see me, one go happen this and that. Anyways, I'm not saying nothing to her now. You know me argue back and whatever. Blood clot, when me done now, and I go after 3 post office for see if I see my pin. My YouTube pin, I go for see if I see my YouTube pin. When me did know, under my fingernail, I saw flavor pussy look. Yeah. So flavor pussy look and I saw the tongue look. White like under my blood clot fingernail. Talk to my fingernail them nice, no? Yeah. I fuck them out every night and the pre-cum them are stuck underneath it. And you see now I have people like you know for the the life. Push it in your face. Go girl. Finger pussy in your face. How you feel about it? Eh? Where you say? Where you are say? If you're not saying nothing, you're not talk good way you say. But don't talk to you. Because if me, they don't hide anything under them nails, they never think. But I clean them up before I come live. No, when girl ride off her blood clot finger and proud her finger them. This is how I show them up in your face. Where you say? You know nothing I say. Alright, back to what me I say now. What do you mean got all the blood clot post office? And me say, I never see her yet, you know. But then I talk to the woman about my pin, right? And the woman I look for the pin for me and she help me out on them thing there. When me stand up in there, it empty. Nobody never in there. Normally when me go post office, I be a long line. Nobody never in there. In there, it empty. So you know while the woman I look for the pin and etc. Me stand up so now and turn around now and look across the road. When I blood clot look across the road. Now the 3 young upcoming fishes them me I see across the road. Eh? The 3 upcoming fishes me see across the road. Me say what? Me see the upcoming little young batty boy where she have on the right side. And me see the upcoming little fish, aka Batman little girl where she have on the left side. Them stalker little girl cause them a take fuck like a wash up, them a fuck them out anyway where she carry them go. Anyways now, my daddy now and them coming. Hear the girl now, them a trouble her now. You know, so I could see her and pick problem. I did not see her. Well, I'm going to go for the key. So, you know, me get my key from K6 Emporium. I have my nice pepper spray. Show no I go on. Me have my flashlight. Me have my flashlight. Me have a little piece of ratchet knife, so. Me have that something me have to ram anybody in them humble clock that fuck around me.